Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. The Songhai Empire, Masters of Government and Trade. After the Mali Empire declined, the Songhai Empire rose to power. Songhai became one of the largest empires in African history, known for its sophisticated government, military strength, and thriving trade. Songhai had an advanced government system with governors overseeing provinces and laws ensuring justice. Leaders like Askia the Great strengthened trade, education, and religion. Songhai's rulers understood that a strong empire needed both organization and opportunity for its citizens. Trade was the lifeblood of Songhai. Salt, gold, and other resources flowed through bustling markets. The Niger River connected the empire to distant lands, making Songhai a hub for commerce and culture. Songhai maintained its power with a disciplined army, controlling vast territories. This military strength allowed the empire to protect trade routes and expand influence across West Africa. Songhai's story reminds us that African civilizations were not only rich in resources, but also in organization, leadership, and innovation. Its lessons in governance and trade continue to inspire historians today. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email easyahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.